Hello girls and boys, welcome to a new video here on Smartwatches TV. This time we bring you the unboxing of 5 smartwatches and a smart ring that we ordered through Temu. If you're interested, get comfortable because we're about to begin. For those who don't know, I'm from Puerto Rico. I placed this order on January 2nd and received it on the 11th, but I couldn't pick it up until the 13th because I was quite busy those days. As you can see on the screen, this is how the package arrived. Here you can see the smartwatches I ordered, as well as the smart ring. Friends, I'd like to mention that in this video, we'll only be doing the unboxing, but we'll be posting full reviews of each smartwatch as we test them. As the first smartwatch, I present the G35 model specifically designed for women. I chose the gold color and included an additional white strap, all for just $22.92. This smartwatch comes in a long white box. The front indicates smartwatch and the back displays the model name. Upon opening it, the first thing we see is the smartwatch along with the additional white strap. At the back, we find the instructions and the charging cable. The smartwatch comes with a protective plastic film on the screen, which in my case is slightly wrinkled. Let's remove it to turn on the device and see how it looks when activated. When turning it on, we are greeted with the famous "Hello!" Then, we are asked to choose our preferred language and download the app. In this case, I will skip this step to show you the watch. Here's a look at the smartwatch menu so you can get an idea of the included applications. And this is how the G35 women's smartwatch looks. If you want to know all the details about this smartwatch, subscribe and stay tuned because in a few days we'll be doing a full review. As the second smartwatch, I present the G25 model, a beautiful smartwatch for women. I chose it in pink and gold, and it cost me $15.32. The watch comes in a small rectangular box. On the front, you can see an image of the model, while on the back, you'll find the model name along with other information. Upon opening the box, we find the smartwatch and its charger. Beneath the plastic tray holding the watch, we also find the instructions. The smartwatch looks really nice. Additionally, it comes with a protective plastic film on the screen. Let's remove it to turn on the device and see how it looks when activated. Just like with the previous model, we are asked to select a language and connect it to the app. However, I'll skip this step and show you the smartwatch interface directly so you can get an idea of its appearance and functions. Also, we'll have a full review of this smartwatch on the channel soon, so don't miss it. As my third smartwatch, I present the HT76 model, an elegant device for men that features a powerful flashlight. I chose the black and orange color option, and its price was $21.44. The watch comes in a small rectangular box with gray and orange tones. On the front, you can see an image of the model, while the back provides details such as the model name and some of its features. Upon opening the box, we find the instructions, charger, strap, and smartwatch, each in separate compartments. This smartwatch has a very attractive design which could be considered sporty. Let's remove the plastic from the screen, attach the strap, and turn it on to explore its features. When powered on, the screen prompts us to select our preferred language, then takes us to the main screen. By pressing the orange center button, we access the menu where you can see the applications included in the smartwatch. We will also take a quick tour of its interface. Remember, the full review will be available on our channel soon, so don't miss it. As the fourth smartwatch, I present the HT26 model, a rugged and all-terrain device designed for men, which also features a flashlight. I ordered it in black with orange accents and it cost only $14.14. The watch comes in a small rectangular box with black and orange tones. On the front, there is an image of the model, while the back details the model name and some of its features. Upon opening the box, beneath the plastic tray holding the watch, we find the charger and instructions with a smartwatch positioned on top. This smartwatch has an attractive design and appears to be a sturdy and durable device. Let's remove the plastic from the screen and turn it on. When powered on, it greets us with the familiar hello and displays the option to select our preferred language, followed by a QR code to download the app. I will skip this step for now to show you the watch. By pressing the upper right button, we can access the menu, where you can explore the applications available on the smartwatch. We will also take a quick tour of its interface. Remember, the full review will be available on our channel soon, so don't miss it. As the fifth smartwatch, I present the HT17 model, an elegant men's device that, in my opinion, closely resembles the Aegis-Ka E3. I chose this model with a blue strap and it cost me only $16.27 on Temu. The watch comes in a small rectangular box with black and orange tones. On the front, you can see an image of the model, while the back details the model name and some of its features. Upon opening the box, we find the instructions and charger at the bottom, while the smartwatch is positioned at the front. Its design is quite appealing to me, with a sporty style. Let's remove the plastic from the screen and turn it on to explore its interface. When powered on, it greets us with the iconic hello and displays the option to select a preferred language, along with a QR code to download the app. At this moment, I will skip this step to focus on the watch itself. Next, we'll take a quick tour of the menu and interface so you can get an idea of how the watch looks and functions. Remember, we'll be posting the full and detailed review on our channel soon, so stay tuned. Finally, we have the R18 Smart Ring, which cost me only $4.03. This ring comes in a white box with some of its features displayed on the back. Upon opening it, we find a guide on how to wear it correctly, the charger, the ring itself, and beneath the base, the instructions. The ring looks quite stylish, fits me perfectly, and has a great design. This is my first time testing a smart ring, so stay tuned because I'll be posting a full review with all the details soon. Well, guys and girls, these are all the devices I ordered from Temu, so I have a lot of work ahead, many devices to test, and many videos to make. I hope you liked them. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now is a great time to do so. Alright guys and girls, that's all for now. See you in the next video. Blessings!